Elevate your angling with KastKing Centron Reels. Attention anglers! Meet the KastKing Centron Spinning Reel, the ultimate companion for your fishing adventures. With its 17.5 pounds, max drag and 5.2, 1 gear ratio, this reel delivers unmatched strength and smooth operation, ensuring you're ready to tackle your next big catch with confidence. Equipped with 9 ball bearings and an instant stop anti-reverse bearing, the Centron offers ultra-smooth performance. Its CNC machined aluminum spool ensures even line lay and durability, making it a dependable partner whether you're ice fishing or spinning in open waters. Compact and lightweight, the Centron features a collapsible handle and an ergonomic design for ultimate comfort. Its brilliant two-tone anodized spool doesn't just look great, but also allows for longer casts, giving you more control with every throw. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or an angling enthusiast, the KastKing Centron Reel is designed to bring ease and efficiency to your fishing trips. Available in sizes perfect for ice or traditional fishing, it's a versatile reel that adapts to your style. Don't let the next great catch slip away. Upgrade your fishing game with KastKing Centron Reels. Explore the full range and get yours today on Amazon or AliExpress. If you want to order, click the link in the description below.